Yashri versus Team Neha. Neha. Hemant. 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 Paging for Hemant. Paging for Hemant. Hemant. Who won the toss? Toss?
कौन टॉस जीता है? भाग्यश्री won the toss.
X Square Stallion won the toss. He'll get to bat. DJ, can we have the Glitorium team please take the field? Let's move ahead.
Please start the match. We are running late by 45 minutes, 29 seconds.
Glitorium Warriors, please take the field quickly.
Please send the batsman. Send the batsman. A huge round of applause.
नहीं आएगा नहीं दूसरा वहां से मंगाना वाह जुगाड़ all right, let's get on with the game. Okay, Adressians, it can't get bigger than this. We are down to the finals of women and men. APL Season 5, final women teams. Glitorium Warriors versus X Square Stallion. Let's give it up for these teams. Come on guys, make some noise. Glitorium Warriors to bowl. Neeta is the bowler. Neeta Poshia to bowl the first over. Bhakti on strike. Hitarthi at the non-striker's end. Interesting contest it will be. Oh, and out. It's a run out on the very first ball. Neha placing herself so well. Wicket of the first ball. Neha Parekh. Loss of Bhakti's wicket on the very first ball brings Hitarthi on strike.
Would request
That was nearly a catch. Goes for boundary. Hitarthi
DJ would
Hitarthi
request
continues
Ajay
to
Lad
play.
and Dr. Sham to come on stage for the toss.
Hitarthi continues to play
Ajay Lad
fearlessly.
and Dr. Sham.
This is where she left in the semi-finals. That's one more. And caught this time. She doesn't repeat the same mistake. Umpires checking. DJ. Umpires checking. Umpires checking the delivery.
Ajay Lad.
It's a six. It's a six. Her feet touched. DJ. Hitarthi racing away 10 runs of 2 balls. Oh, and hitting again with power. 2 runs.
Calling Dr. Sham.
12 of 3. That was a catch taken, but her leg slipped. Touched the boundary rope. Good work by umpires. Guys, let's give it up for
Dr.
umpires
Sham
as
को
well.
call करिए. Dr.
They've been
Sham
here the whole
for the
day.
toss.
Oh, beaten up. Two dot balls. End of the over. End of over number 1. Score is at 12 runs. DJ. End of over 1. 12 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Anita Kachare. Anita Kachara to bowl the second over. Jyoti on strike. Hitarthi at the non-striker end. Hitarthi has given them a flying start. They lost 1 wicket of the very first ball. That didn't deter her. She's on 12. Team is on 12.
Mitesh check.
Meanwhile,
Requesting
trying to steal a single, rightly sent back. Toss ho gaya. May I have the
Requesting-
men's team captain for the toss?
requesting the men's team finalist, all the players to come here.
Hit on the sides for 1
All
run.
the players who think who is in the final.
Can we request both the finalist team for men at the presentation arena? Hitarthi back on strike. 1.2 overs, 13 runs on board. And well left. That's a wide.
Calling Dr. Sham.
Ajinkya is calling Sham.
What a catch! Excellent catch by Neha. Paging for Hardik Shirude. DJ. Paging for Hardik Shirude. Come to the commentator box, Hardik.
Requesting all the finalists of the men's
Loss
team.
of an important wicket here. Hitarthi goes. Captain Bhagyashree walks into the middle. 1.3 overs, 14 run for the loss of 2 wickets. Hit on the sides for a single. Oh, trying for the catch, but that was a little bit too high. End of over number 2, 16 for 2. Bowler, third over bowler, name please. Tina. Tina to bowl the third over. Captain Tina. Jyoti trying to work it on the onside for a single. Exchange of bats. Dead ball.
Calling Brunal Asher, Dr. Sham.
Dead ball. 2.1 over, 16 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. Hit for a single, giving strike to Bhagyashree. So captain to captain, Tina to Bhagyashree. Equal contest between bat and ball so far. That's wide. Oh, she nearly got that one as well. 2 runs. That one pierced through 2 fielders, Neetu and Neha, but was hit firmly. No ball. Misunderstanding between the batters. Could have been a catch again.
Requesting men's team finalists to come near the presentation area, please.
Oh, missed that one. Again misunderstanding. End of over number 3. Score moves to 25 runs. Bhagyashree on strike. DJ.
Calling
Bhagyashree on
Dr.
strike.
Sham.
Jyoti at the non-striker end. Richie to bowl the fourth over.
Dr. Sham.
25 runs at the end of 3 overs. They've just lost 2 wickets, so they have set the stage for a bigger total here. They'll fancy their chances to put 50 on board.
Paging for Sabrish if he's here. Sabrish.
Hit back with some power, but good fielding there on the boundary. Excellent fielding. Hit straight for a single. Well fielded on the boundary. Jyoti back on strike. No ball. That's no +1 run. Extras can be harmful. Well blocked by Neetu, but a single again. 29 runs on board already. That's a no ball again. Second no ball of the over. No ball again. The bowler losing a rhythm here. No +1. Adding insult to injury. 1 run by as well.
Calling Dr. Sham.
Follows it up with a wide. Batting team is complaining. Hit on the side for a single. 34 runs on the board. 3.4 overs. They're cruising at almost 10 runs an over. Oh! That could have been a fantastic catch.
Dr. Sham is here for the toss. Now Ajay would be Ajay. Will be throwing 2 coins at the same time. यहाँ पे इनका कुछ टोटका चल रहा है. The one who is on the right hand side will win the match. We have 2 options, a coin of 5 and a coin of 2 rupees. And Ajay wins again. Ajay is consulting Pogo Bhai, I think so.
Hello. End of an expensive over. Neha to bowl. The 5th over starts with a wide. Score moves away to 37 runs. 37 for the loss of just 2 wickets. And no ball. No ball +1.
Ajay has decided to bowl first. and Sham has decided to bat first. Who was the influence for you to decide?
Dot ball.
Ajinkya.
40 runs on the
Ajinkya.
board. 4.1 overs.
अजय आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये APL सीजन 5 में फाइनल में पहुंचकर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा
And a
है
no ball again.
और हम लोग जीत के ही आएंगे.
Mitesh, 2 minutes. Thank you. Ajay is very confident that he will be winning this time. फील्डिंग लेने का कोई खास वजह?
अरे आप ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, इतने अच्छे प्लेयर है आप अजिंक्य, उनको मैं चेस नहीं करने दूंगा.
42 runs. 2
Okay.
wickets.
Dr.
4.3
Sham,
over.
how are you feeling reaching in the final?
Feeling very good.
Just feeling very good.
Very good, not good.
Let the umpire decide.
Hello.
Let the umpire decide. Don't
Calling
argue with
for-
the umpire, please.
Calling for Mitesh Shah near the trophy area backstage.
Kapil, 2 minutes. डॉक्टर श्याम ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं जैसे वो हर रोज
इधर,
फाइनल में
पीछे।
पहुंच रहे हैं. डीजे थैंक यू. डॉक्टर श्याम, वी नीड 5 सेंटेंस 30 seconds at least.
मैं ये जो भी बोलना चाहूँगा ये मैं फाइनल के बाद अजय भाई को लग रहा है वो जीत जाएंगे. ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट अजय भाई. हम फाइनल के बाद बात करेंगे.
Dr. Sham is saying my batting and my bowling will do the talking, right? Thank you. Thank you. कहाँ पर है? कौन सा डॉक्टर चाहिए? Any doctor? There is an emergency.
Doctor required near the food counters.
All the doctors. All the doctors. Urgently. Whomsoever
Can we
is
have-
there, go towards food counter. Doctor, any a doctor available. Dr. Arvind Banushali near food counter. जूस वाले के इधर है. जो भी डॉक्टर्स अवेलेबल है प्लीज वहां पे विजिट करें.
Can we have
बाकी
doctor-
रेसिडेंट्स को प्लीज दूर रहिए. दे विल गेट टाइम एयर. प्लीज other residents please do not go there. Only doctors.
Can we have Dr. Kinney over there? Dr. Kinney.
Other residents please come out from that area. Other residents please request you to come out of that area. डीजे डीजे अभी म्यूजिक मत बजा.
श्याम तू जा तेरा टॉस कहाँ लेके जाना है? एक मिनट डॉक्टर कहाँ लेना है? कहाँ
50 up for the batting team. Last ball to go. The target is 51 run.
Okay, score. क्या स्कोर हुआ हेमंत? ठीक है, वो डॉक्टर की नहीं है. स्कोर क्या हुआ? 50? 51. All right, can we get on with the match? 51 is the target. Can be a stiff one. किसने कौन है? ये क्या रे? ये क्या है? मैंने बैट नहीं तोड़ा, उसने बैट घुमाई है. देना ईशान यार, देना ग्रुप में डालना फोटो यार. ये ईशान. 51. 51 is the target. Neetu. Better. Better name, striker. Batter on strike. Your name. Hetwi. Hetwi on the strike. Neetu at the non-striker end. Neetu. Netra Patel. Kinjal. Kinjal to bowl the first over. They are defending 51. They are defending 51 runs of 36 deliveries. Kinjal to bowl the first over. Hetwi on strike. Good ball first up. Dot ball. Hit well, there is a mix up. Direct hit on the stumps. One run. Neetu on strike. Good ball. Beaten up again. Leg by. One by. No ball declared. Is that for the flight? Flighted delivery. Oh, good attempt for a catch. Let the umpires check. Wait. Let the umpires check on the line.
Address Premier League Season 5.
And that's out.
Address Premier League Season 5. We would like to thank our sponsor.
Netra Patel, the batter walking back.
Mitesh
Run
bhai,
out.
Mitesh bhai, 2 minutes.
Sure.
Address Premier League Season 5. Our title sponsor MySpace Reality and West Buildcon. Co-sponsor Aquarian Share Broking. A silver sponsor Provi, AU Small Finance Bank, Finfinity, Solutions Infinite, and Firefly Diamonds. Our trophy partner is Crick Heroes, Your Cricket Matters. Community partner Hurdle. Goodies partner Nivea, Marico, Netrode Opticians. Healing partner Hansaplast and Apollo. We would also like to thank our team owners.
Hemant, add Icon also to the goodies partner. Icon bags, goodies partner.
We would calling Brunal Asher
4 runs on the board.
and Jignesh Bhai. Jignesh Dolia. Calling Brunal Asher.
Hit for a single. Five runs at the end of over number 1. Brings the equation down to 46 required of 30 balls.
वो भी उतना भी नहीं मिलेगा वरना आज खींचना है तो खींच ले आधा घंटा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने दे पुलिस अभी बंद करेंगे
Sia.
ओए कपिल कपिल अरे आने देना आज खत्म हो जाएगा ना
नहीं इनको रहने दे इनके लिए
10:30 बजे तक खींच लेंगे
Sia to bowl the second over. 46 required of 30. Match moving very slowly. May I request everyone to just expedite proceedings. We still have men's final to be played yet. Well bowled. Didn't give the batter any chance to move. And a no ball. No ball for the flight. And a
Call-
no ball.
Calling the cameraman.
No ball again.
Cameraman.
Batter stealing a single. Neha on strike now. Overstepping no. Neha on strike. Sia the bowler. Field changes happening every delivery.
Either.
And again a no. And hit with power for 6 runs. Neha making her intentions clear. Starts with a 6. That's 2D. 17 runs already on the board. A good ground shot and good fielding. Well fielded by Hitarthi. Brings Hetvi back on strike. So the lefty-righty combination, they're changing their field placement with every ball. Oh, and that will be a run out. Smart work by the fielding team. Hetvi is run out. Hetvi will have to walk back.
रिलायंस की
80, 33 जो है
इसमें था ये रिलायंस ना नहीं रिलायंस डिजिटल में लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहा था वो अभी को याद है और किसी को याद नहीं
Still 2 more deliveries left in this over. Oh, that would have been a run out. What a fielding by Hitarthi. Some poor backing by the bowler and the fielder.
Ganesh T has been helping sponsoring the tea for the last 5 seasons of APL, is ensuring that the energy of all the players is high. Thank you Ganesh T. They have a stall here and they are giving the teas at some amazing price. I have been using Ganesh Tea personally in my home for last 4.5 years. It's a very good taste, 100 times better than any of the multinational brands. And they are giving a 20% discount for people who are buying today, along with some sugar, 2 kg sugar, some Elements hair oil and macaroni pasta. Please visit Ganesh Tea stalls. Thank you.
Thanks, Hemant. 19 runs at the end of 2 overs. We are entering the last leg of APL Season 5 Women's Final. 32 required of 24 balls. Jyoti the bowler to bowl the third over. 32 of 24. Neha is in sublime touch here.
मितेश भाई यहाँ पे दोनों टीम मेंस की अपनी अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी बना रही है. कुछ 15 मिनट से स्ट्रेटेजी बन रही है.
वहां पे वो स्ट्रेटेजी बना रहे हैं. यहाँ पे विमेन्स टीम इज ऑलरेडी डीलिंग इन सिक्सेस. 2 runs. My bad. Just hit on the side. Missed 6 by a whisker. No. And 6. Neha hitting 6 of a no ball. And meanwhile, Neha moves on individual score of 18. She will have to retire on 20. She has taken all of 7 deliveries only to score 18. And well fielded again by Hitarthi. Dot ball. Well fielded by Sia. 1 run. Neha moves to 19.
Requesting housekeeping staff.
Score moves to 29 runs.
Requesting housekeeping staff near the commentary box, please.
Smart play by Anita, giving strike back to Neha. Come on guys, cheer for Neha. 1 more run and she'll retire. 19 runs on the board already for her. Anxious movements. Dot ball.
मितेश भाई ये APL is no more a cricket event. It's a festival in our society.
Indeed. APL brings the entire society together. Give it up for all you guys, the residents. 370 players playing this tournament. Almost every family participating.
The budget of APL has crossed 6-digit number and the expenditure has crossed 7-digit number.
And thanks to our sponsors, we have been trying to meet the gap. But thanks to the sponsors to help us put together such a nice event. And end of over number 3, 30 runs. They need 21 of 18 balls. 21 required. Can we move fast, please? Bowler. Bowler name. Bowler name, please. Bhakti. Bhakti to bowl the 4th over. 21 required of 18 balls. Neha is just one short of her 20. Anita on strike. Paging for Hemant. Oh! A certain 6 saved. What a fielding by Hitardi. Give it up for the young lady. Excellent effort. This is world class effort. You won't see this in men's tournament as well. What a fielding. And that's 20 for Neha. She will have to retire. But what an innings. She has got her team right on the brink of victory. Huge round of applause for Neha, guys. 20 runs. Team moves to 32. 32, na? Hi, Kiran. Team moves to 32. They need 19 runs. The new batter in is Richie. They need 19 runs now of 14 deliveries. My bad. It is 14 deliveries. Yes, 3.4 overs. 19 of 14.
Bhakti Lad is on the bowling. She comes from the House of Lords.
Hemant, the full Lad family is playing in the finals. They are all busy with finals of APL. Bhakti Lad in women's team. Ajay Lad and Ajinkya Lad are both fighting it out for the men's trophy on the opposing sides.
Mitesh bhai, next year the Lad family is thinking of organizing an APL tournament only for their family members.
Well, we can do it for them. All they need to give is us some sponsorship. End of over number 4. They need 18 runs off 12 balls. The match is evenly poised. 18 run of 12 balls. It can be anybody's game here.
Mitesh bhai, both the teams don't want to give away.
This match will go down to the wire, Hemant.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Bhagyashree, the captain, bringing herself. Can we move fast, please? Anita at the striker's end. Richie at the non-striker's end. Bhagyashree to bowl the 5th over. 18 required of 12. And she has hit it out of the park. Fall of wicket. Anita goes. Anita Kachara. The batter dismissed. Shelly. Shelly comes into the middle. She has had some fantastic innings already. Shelly on strike. Task getting tougher. 18 of 11. Hit for 2. Exactly what they require. 16 of 10. Need 16 of 10 deliveries. Hit on the side for a single. 15 of 9. Will we see a big one here, guys? Come on, cheer up for the batting team. Will we see a wicket? Support for bowling team. Dot ball. And again a dot ball. Pressure mounting. 15 of 7 now. Well left and a wide. 14 of 7.
Hello. Paging for Awas Company electrician.
Wide again.
Awas Company electrician. Stalls के lights के
Both
लिए
the
है.
team under some pressure. 13 of 7. And a no ball. Series of no and wides here. Bhagyashree walking out. She needs some water. Okay, can we move fast, please? 12 of 7. All she needs is to complete this last delivery. And she's practicing actually.
Mitesh bhai, APL season 5. The festival in our society is about to get over in 1 hour's time. And we'll be meeting again next year, similar time.
That's a catch. After 4 extras, she delivers in style, taking the wicket of Richie. Very important wicket. And Hitarthi, the girl with the Midas touch, bowling the final over. She will be defending. She has 12 runs up her sleeve. Hitarthi has 12 runs up her sleeve to save. The new batter walking in. Tina, the captain, walking in. Come on, guys. It can't get interesting than this. 12 required of 6 balls. Women's team final. And is that out? What a sharp reflex. Tina has to walk back without facing a delivery. Nupur walks into the middle. Nupur is the new batter. Shelly on strike. 12 required of 5 balls. Nupur. 12 of 5. Can we get on with the game, please? She needs water. She's just walked in and asking for water. Some smart strategy breaks here. Can we have Alpesh bhai in the commentary box, please? Shelly on strike. 12 of 5. Round of applause for both the teams, guys. Such an entertainment we are having. 12 of 5. Well saved. 2 runs.
Calling electrician.
10 of 4.
Calling electrician near the commentary area, please.
The advice for Shelly is to retain strike. And a dot ball. What a delivery by Hitarthi. Well fielded. We are down to last 2 deliveries. 9 runs required. They need 2 big hits now. And Nupur on strike. वाटर ब्रेक लिया क्या स्ट्रेटेजी है आके and that's gone. Equation down to 9 runs of 1 ball. The X Square Stallions are almost the champions of APL 5 unless they do an extra delivery. 9 runs required of 1 ball. 9 required of 1 ball. Let's get the dhols ready. Let's get the DJ ready. 9 required of 1 ball. Wait for my instruction. And that's it. X Square Stallions. Can we have the men's team ready, please? Men's team. Well played, girls. Very well played.